Welcome to Tech Fix Hub, where tech problems and smart solution begin. Subscribe for quick tech and AI tips. Whether you are a student, content creator, or a tech lover, these 5 tools can completely change how you work in 2025. First is ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools available today. What it does? Writes emails, scripts, caption, resumes, you name it. Instead of thinking 30 minutes how to write an email, just type one line and ChatGPT does it for you. Tech lovers love it because it saves time, boosts productivity. A perfect tool for beginners and professionals. Next on the list is Canva AI. Canva AI is useful for content creator. What it does is AI designs thumbnail and post, magic write for text, background remover, and video editing. You don't need Photoshop anymore. Just type what you want, Canva design it for you. Best for YouTubers, Instagram creators, small businesses. So as you can see on my screen, next is Claude. Claude is an AI chatbot by Anthropic that helps with writing, studying, coding, and office work. Long content easily. The key benefits of Claude app is that it can write YouTube scripts, emails, and captions, summarizes long PDF and articles, helps with coding and error fixing, saves time for student and professionals, free and beginner friendly. So as you can see, I have written a problem regarding the coding and this model is providing me the answer for it. However, if I choose to ask the app, the model, to explain this a little bit more, like I'm typing it here. So Claude gives me a cleaner writing, better explanation, and it works great for long form content compared to many AI tools. I feel out of this 5 AI models that I'm going to be talking about, this app is one of the most interesting ones, I think, and less hyped as well. So next on the list is Perplexity. If Google feels confusing, meet Perplexity AI. What it does? It's an AI powered search engine, gives direct answer with sources, perfect for research and learning. So instead of opening 10 websites, Perplexity gives you one clear answer. So why is it better? It's faster, more accurate, less distraction. So as you can see, I have asked the question, provide a brief difference between machine learning and AI. So it's giving me the definition of it and including the core distinction between the two as well. So you can see there is a column wise explanation, and in the bottom you can see there is Perplexity written, and beside that there's an option called sources. So once I click on the sources, I'll be able to see all the sources point that helps me reach that particular explanation. So you can see on the list there will be YouTube, there is Amazon, there are all the sources mentioned. So it's great for the research work. So you can read all the explanations that is being given, right? Okay, moving on next. The next tool we have is AI Fiesta. It's an all-in-one AI app that gives access to multiple AI models in one place using a single subscription. So what it does is you can ask one question and get answer from different AI models. Compare responses side by side. No need to switch between multiple AI apps. So over here, I'm writing about getting a phone within a mentioned budget and also asking for a particular feature. So which phone can I find the best? So how is this useful? Because I'm asking this one question regarding my phone purchase, and the answer that I'll be provided with will be from ChatGPT, from other AI models that you'll see below. So it saves me time. It's cheaper than buying many AI subscription. Helpful for writing, researching, coding, and content creation. But yes, keep in mind that output quality may vary by model. Heavy users can hit usage limit. So You do not need to go to different AI models or refer to them. You can just find all of them in one place. So I think that is also one of the great app models that you can refer to if you want to compare something. So, which AI tool do you already use? Please comment below in the channel. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Fix Hub for more tech and AI tips. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.